Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'll be doing that set in this video, so keep on watching. So the video is sped up, guys. I'm not being rough with the client. I'm just etching her nail to apply the tips. Some trouble. I had to go purchase a glue next door. There it is, the new glue. And it's our first time doing her nails. My client is graduating from high school, so it's our first time, and she loved it. To the length of the client's desire. She wanted a medium length nail, so that's what we're giving her. She sent me a pic of what she wanted. Don't forget to subscribe. She sent me a pic of what she liked, and we're doing our best to give it to her. So we're shaping the nails before we apply acrylic. I'm using an 80 grit file to shape the nail. Lifting. So we are removing the excess protein on the nail, pushing it back at the same time. Yes, I love this bit. It is amazing. I got it on Amazon. Tapered diamond bit. Now I have this scissors years now. So now I'm using it to remove any excess cuticle. Guys, be gentle. This is spread up a lot, and it still seems like I'm being gentle, so gentle I was. So try your best to be gentle and try not to cut the client. It's very sharp. Getting the hang of that scissors. I haven't used it in years. I'm used to nippers, but these nippers are not sharp anymore these days. I don't know why. So I'm using my scissors, and it's doing the job. Once it's doing the job, I'm fine. It's fine with me. I'm applying a dehydrator. Now I'm applying primer. And I apply 2 coats. I may only show 1 coat, but I apply 2 coats of primer. It's good to dehydrate the nail. Sometimes there's a little oil somewhere you don't see. The dehydrator helps to get rid of that. Because once there's oil, it's going to be lifting. So bead of clear on the nail before I apply my acrylic. It's really a small bead, you can't even tell. So here I'm applying all white first. This white is from Perfect 10 white. I apply 3 small beads. If you see any gaps when you're applying, you can go back and apply what you need. full nudes first, since I applied the clear last on the ombre. So I'm doing the nude nail first before I do the ombre ones. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that bell too to be notified when I post a new video. Yes, holding the thumb like that gives a better grip when doing the e-file. Then I'm going to go in with my hand file after I've done the e-filing process. Sidewalls and free edge, and I'm going with my 180 grit to smooth the top, the cuticle area, and whatever needs smoothing. Smooth or whatever needs smoothing and making the nail more crisp and sharp. As you see there, click the like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified, guys. Now I'm using my buffer to smooth out any lines that may have been created from the hand file. So my client has a brush. I forgot to record the white and the gold. This is my base coat application of it, where I put on the white and the gold to give this a sticky layer. So there you have it, guys, the end result. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.